Huzur, why the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam continued to do istighfar after Allah forgave him?
This question was put to Rasulullah sallam himself, and the answer is twofold. Number one, he said that I'm thanking Allah for what He has done to me. When I stand for Istigfar, it indicates that I seek His power and His blessing for the sinless state which I have achieved. And the more I do it, the more I receive His blessing. So by Istigfar, he was becoming sinless. And moreover, at one time he answered that should I not be grateful to Allah for the kindness He has shown me? So sometimes the whole night he went on praising Allah for the great beneficence He had shown to him. So this is the true meaning of Istigfar. Not that after you have committed sin, you should turn to Istigfar. That is also possible. But Istigfar means you bury yourself in the earth so that the sin cannot reach you. So it's a similar situation in this meaning of the Istigfar, that Rasulullah sallam constantly sought Allah's help to bury himself from the reach of sin. There is a more advanced meaning of Istigfar.